PFN refers to page frame number, and the PFN database covers the lists used to find locations of system files. If the PFN lists become corrupted, your computer and the Windows system will no longer be able to process any tasks. As a result, the blue screen of death appears. This video primarily introduces how to fix the PFN list corrupt using various tools and utilities on Windows. Blue Screen Troubleshooter is built into on Windows, which can analyze the blue screen of death and offer suggestions for tackling the problems. To use the Blue Screen Troubleshooter, you need to open Settings and choose Update and Security, and choose Troubleshoot from the left side panel, and tap on Additional Troubleshooters, and find Blue Screen Troubleshooter, and tap on Run the Troubleshooter. After that, you need to follow the wizard to complete the troubleshooting. Windows Memory Diagnostic tool is designed to check computer RAM issues. You can fix the PFN list corrupt based on the diagnostic report it provides. And here's how to do it. Open the Windows search box and input Windows Memory Diagnostic, and then tap on the result. Now you need to click the Restart Now and check for problems. This will restart your Windows PC automatically, and this memory diagnostic tool will attempt to fix any detected problems, and you will see how this works out. Third-party software or malware could be to blame for the PFN list corrupt, so you can uninstall some software and to see if the PFN list corrupt issue appears again. To uninstall a program or software, you can open Control Panel and tap on Uninstall a program, and right-click on the software you want to uninstall and click Uninstall. System File Checker can check the integrity of all system files on your computer and replace the corrupted or missing files, so you can fix the PFN list corrupt caused by the corrupted file system by following the steps below. To do it, you need to run the command prompt as administrator. When the command window appears, input the commands underlined in red and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. When the scanning and the repair are finished, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. CHKDSK is a built-in Windows utility designed to check the integrity of a disk and repair logical file system errors, bad sectors, and other disk-related issues that may cause the PFN list corrupt. You can fix the corrupt issues by following the steps below. You need to run the command prompt as an administrator. When the command window appears, input the command displayed on the screen and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. After the scanning and the repair are finished, restart your PC and see if the issue is fixed. You may run into the PFN list corrupt due to the outdated device drivers, so you can manually update device drivers in Device Manager to fix the error. To do this, you need to right-click on the Start menu button to choose Device Manager, and then locate the device driver and right-click on it and choose Update Driver. When the pop-up window shows up, and tap on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search your computer for the best available drivers and install it on your device. And of course, you can update other device drivers by repeating the steps we just mentioned. And after the driver is installed, restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. The improper group policy settings of Microsoft OneDrive could be the culprit for the PFN list corrupt, so you can change the group policy settings by following the steps below. To press the Windows and R keys on your keyboard and input gpedit.msc and click OK. When the local group policy editor window appears, expand administrative templates and expand Windows components and find and locate OneDrive. Now, from the right panel, double-click Prevent the usage of OneDrive for file storage. And when the window pops up, choose Enabled. Click Apply and OK. After that, you need to restart your PC and see if the PFN LIST CORRUPT issue appears again. Outdated Windows could trigger the PFN LIST CORRUPT, so you can perform the Windows update to fix the blue screen of death. You can open Settings and choose Update and Security. And from the Windows Update section, you can tap on Check for Updates, or you can directly download and install the available updates and see if the issue is fixed.